Just a short video showing some of the accessories that are available for light painting tubes and torches. These are manufactured by Light Painting Accessories and does exactly what it says on the tin. They're accessories for us light painters. I believe they're based in the UK and Netherlands. They'll also make custom made fittings. So if you've got something different or you've got a DIY tool, they need the sizes or ideally the piece of kit or the torch, and they'll make adapters and accessories for anything really. I'll put the contact details below in the comments, so give them a call. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So one of the adapters I've got is the tube fitting for the Rio Lightworks. And that fits nicely on the tube and nicely on the torch. Another one again is for the luminosified tubes, but this time it's for cake fountains, sparklers, whatever you call them. And on this one there's a solid, where are we? There we are. There's a solid insert so the heat doesn't affect the tube and the fountain doesn't drop down. So one luminosified tube, one adapter, and one Rio Lightworks torch. The advantage with the adapter is that the torch doesn't sit inside the tube and you lose that length of the tube because the light obviously starts further up. You get much more of your colour. So sticking with the luminosified tubes, that's the torch, the adapter, the tube, and the cone just slides over the end and just gives you the colour that you want on the tip. So the stars, again, my set are made specifically for the Rio, and again they just slide on. And ideal if you want to put stars, or you could even write with them, or put stars in the images. They do look better from a distance rather than so close up. So here we got another fountain adapter. This one's for the T5s. So this is the one that I use in my DIY tubes. Get it the right way around. And again, on this one you can see it's solid. On the inside, so the fountain's not going to drop down into the tube and the heat's not going to get through. A few more T5 fittings, this time multicoloured and a clear one. So what I fancy doing with some of these is putting some self-adhesive window film on, maybe a lot of small pieces, just to try and create a bit of variety in the end. So if we take a T5, pop it on, and again we're a bit close to see that, but I'll show some images later of what these produce. The latest addition to my collection of light painting accessories kit are these smaller fittings, end cones, and these are made for the light painting brushes collapsible swords. And it adds a touch of colour to the tip. This is the white sword. I've tried them on coloured swords as well, and you do get just a different colour added to the tip. I believe they also make end cones for light painting king tubes, and obviously there's a range of colours that will fit those tubes as well. I don't know a huge amount about 3D printing, but obviously printing in that format is a lot easier and less wasteful than printing vertically. I asked for a red and blue end cone, and the easiest and cheapest way was to produce two halves. So what I will do is fit those to a tube and then probably hot glue them together, and that will give me the colours that I was after. I believe that's quite wasteful in producing it if you want it produced in one piece. So I reckon it's time to get outside and put these things through the paces.